Looking to save some cash on your car insurance in Washington? We've got you covered. Washington's auto insurance rates can vary widely based on factors like your driving record and where you live. The good news? With the right approach, you can find affordable car insurance in the Evergreen State without sacrificing coverage. We're talking real savings, folks. We'll show you what factors affect your premium, which companies offer the cheapest coverage, and how to snag all the discounts you deserve. Plus, to help you find the best deal, visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes and use our free quote comparison tool to make shopping for insurance a breeze. It's fast, easy, and gives you personalized options from top insurers, all perfectly tailored to your car and driving habits. Stop overpaying for car insurance and let's get started. When it comes to getting cheap car insurance in Washington, it's important to understand the state's auto insurance laws. So, before we dive into the rates and factors, let's take a look at what you need to know. In Washington, both car and motorcycle drivers are required to have a minimum amount of liability insurance before hitting the road. That bare minimum for car insurance requirements in Washington is $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $10,000 for property damage. But not everything with wheels needs insurance. You won't need proof of coverage for things like motor scooters and mopeds. But even if it's not required, getting some insurance for these vehicles might still be a smart move. Why? Because if you damage someone else's property with them, guess who's footing the bill? You! To make your car insurance shopping experience easier, head over to FreeAdvice.com today. There, you can compare quotes using our free quote comparison tool and find the best insurance options for your needs as you follow Washington's auto insurance laws. The state minimum of $25, $50, $10 is a good starting point, but it might not be enough to cover everything in a serious accident. Here's why. That minimum only pays for the other driver's medical bills and property damage. What about yours? And what if your car gets totaled? That's where full coverage comes in. While Washington State only requires drivers to carry minimum liability insurance, full coverage auto insurance in Washington offers significantly more protection for your vehicle. This is especially important if you have a car loan or lease, as your lender will likely require it. A full coverage policy typically adds collision and comprehensive coverage to a minimum coverage policy. Collision coverage helps pay to repair your car if you collide with another vehicle or object, while comprehensive insurance covers non-collision damage like theft, vandalism, or weather events. You can further customize your full coverage policy with optional add-ons that address specific needs. These can be helpful, but remember they'll also increase your premium. To figure out the perfect coverage at the price you want, go to FreeAdvice.com. Our free quote comparison tool provides you with a list of the most affordable options from top providers in Washington, all tailored to your vehicle and specific needs. Now that you already know about different coverage options, let's get down to the real question. How much will this cost you? Here's a breakdown of some monthly minimum coverage rates from top providers in the Evergreen State. If you're looking for the cheapest minimum coverage car insurance in Washington, then USAA is the top choice, coming in at a cool $20 a month. But you need a military affiliation to purchase car insurance with the company. USAA is followed closely by Progressive at $26 and State Farm at $30 each month. That's a world of difference compared to companies like Allstate and Farmers, whose minimum coverage can set you back $50 and $44 a month. In fact, if you switch from Allstate to Progressive for minimum coverage, you could save a whopping $288 a year. That's serious cash you could be putting towards other things. To see which companies offer the most affordable coverage in your zip code, visit FreeAdvice.com. Use our free quote comparison tool and receive personalized options from the best insurance providers near you. While Washington doesn't require you to have full coverage auto insurance, You should consider it if you have a car loan or lease. It's like a safety net for your car, offering valuable protection in case of accidents, theft, or even bad weather. Even if you own your car outright, full coverage can be a smart investment. But here's the catch. It costs more than the minimum requirements. Let's dive into some average rates for full coverage in Washington. USAA offers full coverage auto insurance in Washington at an average monthly rate of just $46. Keep in mind that USAA membership is limited to military members, veterans, and their families. Other competitive options are Progressive at $60 per month and State Farm at $69 monthly. If you find yourself with Farmers or Allstate for full coverage, you might be paying a bit more. Their average monthly rates come in at $102 and $114 respectively. Now here's the math. If you switched from Allstate's full coverage at $114 a month to Progressive's $60 option, you could save $648 a year. To find affordable car insurance rates, visit FreeAdvice.com. There you can use our free quote comparison tool and in minutes see a list of the lowest rates customized to your exact needs. It's the only way to know when you found the best deal. Now talking about driving history, one of the biggest factors insurance companies look at to determine your risk as a driver is your accident history. The more accidents you have on your record, the more you can expect your rates to jump. A single at-fault accident can typically jack up your rates by a whopping 42%. The exact increase depends on your insurance company, but it's safe to say it can hit your wallet hard. Let's see how much Washington car insurance spikes after one accident. State Farm stands out for its affordability even after an accident. The company's rates increased by just $14 from $69 per month, with a clean record to $83 monthly if you have been in an accident. On the other hand, Allstate and Progressive have exceptionally expensive rates after just one accident on your driving record. Allstate charges a whopping $156 each month for car insurance, and drivers with Progressive will pay $144 per month after an accident. So if you purchase coverage with Progressive when you have a clean record, but then you are in a car accident, you'll end up paying $84 more per month, or $1,008 more annually for auto insurance with a company. This is where FreeAdvice.com comes in. Our free quote comparison tool can show you personalized options from all the top insurers in Washington, including quotes that factor in your driving history. Now that we've already covered how much Washington auto insurance could cost, it's important to consider how you could cut down on how much you pay for coverage. One way to save money on Washington car insurance is by lowering your coverage. It may be tempting to purchase extensive coverage, but it's important to consider what you truly need and avoid paying for unnecessary options. You could also raise your deductible. Just keep in mind that you'll need to have enough funds to cover the deductible in case of an accident. Don't forget to explore discounts offered by insurance companies. When shopping for insurance, take into account the number of discounts a company offers, as it can significantly impact your overall premium. Maintaining a clean driving record is also crucial for obtaining affordable car insurance. Lastly, always compare quotes. By comparing quotes from multiple providers, you can ensure that you're getting the best possible rate for your coverage. So, visit FreeAdvice.com and take advantage of our free quote comparison tool to find the best insurance options tailored to your needs. And that's all the car insurance intel for today. You've learned how accidents and DUIs can impact your rates, explored ways to save money on your policy, and seen how different companies stack up. With all you've learned today, it's now time for you to take action and find the perfect insurance for you. Insider secret? We have the easiest way to do that. Head over to FreeAdvice.com, your one-stop shop to get quotes, compare rates, and explore options from all the very best Washington providers, all in one place. No more jumping around from website to website. No need to make calls or send emails. FreeAdvice.com makes shopping for insurance and finding the lowest rates a breeze. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And for more insurance tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button to join the FreeAdvice.com family. We also love hearing from you, so if you have any experience with the companies we mentioned, share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else find the perfect coverage. Got questions about anything we discussed? Let us know. Speaking of finding the perfect fit, check out our video comparing Allstate and State Farm to learn the pros and cons of these two insurance giants and see if either company could offer you the lowest monthly rates. You might be surprised at how much you could put back in your wallet. And hey, if you know any friends or family members who are Washington drivers or just someone shopping for a new policy, share this video with them. They might just find the insurance company they've been waiting for. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the road.